this recording.
Just the same. You know Daniel up to that verse. You know he prayed 3 times a day. Oh, Satan fished him a fastball, but he hit it anyway. Oh, Job was up to that neck. Satan struck him in every way. But Job hit a home run, and he came on in that day. Yes, you know prayer is a strong bat to hit that Satan ball. And when you start to swing, and you gotta give it your all in all. Yes, you know faith's gonna be your catcher, and on him you can depend. Oh, Jesus is standing at the home plate, and he's waiting for you to come in. Yes, you know Moses is on the sideline, waiting to be called. You know the day parted the Red Sea, he knew Christ all in all. Yes, John came in the ninth inning, and the game was almost done. Then God gave John